My after reading strategy is exit and admin slips. Why we use it? So you've probably also heard it called bell ringers or exit slip, whatever. Those are all names that they use for. Why you would use it? Time management is a big thing. So at the beginning of every class, if you think about it, students wander into your class, look around, talk to their friends for 10 minutes. That's not a far-fetched time frame. If there's 6 class periods, which for high school there's usually like 7 to 8 hours, and for elementary school this would be like coming back from specials, phy ed, music, switching to a different subject. So 10 minutes times that 6 class periods is 1 hour. If there's 1 hour wasted and there's 180 days, that is 1 month of lost instructional time. So this would be a great way to cut down on that. They can make connection to class with the article that they read or outside of class. It's a great way to informally assess your students. You'll understand who knows the topic and who doesn't, who understands it. And it's a great way to get their focus at the beginning of class. How does it work? So first, of course, you want to model how it is. And I would always be consistent with these. And then you dedicate 2 to 3 minutes at the beginning or end of class. You need to give the students time to do it. You don't want to rush them by any means. And then optional, you can discuss it. So they can pass it to a friend or they can talk about it at their table. These are some other examples of what they may look like. So this one, I don't know why there's only 4. There's probably be 5. And then you would just, they self-assess, so how they feel about today's lesson. And then instead of why, be like one thing you learned. And then here's another one. Examples, non-examples. And you can do it on sticky notes. You can do it in a weekly form like these two. So for my example, I did this article, Where Do Animals' Winter Coats Come From? So it just talks about all these things. And then at the beginning of class, so they were assigned this or they read it yesterday in class. At the beginning of class, I would pose the question, why do animals' fur color change with the seasons? So they know to come in, sit down, get a sticky note, and answer the question. When they have answered the question, they write their name on it, and they come and put it on the board on this outer part. Okay, so this is what I mean by consistency. If they know that this is going to be there every day, they're going to do it right away. You're not going to waste that 10 minutes at the beginning of class because they'll be too busy working on this. So then I just did animals for a change to blend in with their surroundings. And that's as easy as it is. You can do it at the beginning or end of class, and it really helps.